Hey there, so today I'm thrilled to take you through an end-to-end walkthrough tour of Marketrix. With Marketrix, we make your software self-supporting by running agentic simulations. We mimic the behavior of your real users. We build a comprehensive understanding around your application. Then we use that understanding either to provide on-screen visual guidance to your users, get task completion done, provide QA insights, provide A/B testing insights, and so much more. So here you can see Marketrix running on our app itself. So we have three modes of support that we are able to provide to your users, which is the tell mode, the show mode, and then the do mode, right? So if it's the show mode, then your users can share the screen, right? Then it asks, can I take a look at your screen? By allowing screen access, Marketrix can understand your current context and guide you better and complete task on your behalf, right? So once the user says yes, then the screen share access gets enabled. Then once the user runs a particular query, then it looks at the current context of the user and then guides the user on a step-by-step way, or else like in the do mode, it gets task completion done altogether. So let me take you through the end-to-end flow of how this actually works. We brought in quite a lot of new features and then we brought in a whole new look to the application altogether. So it's simply a matter of providing access to your application. That's a username and password, the credentials you can provide. So in this case, I'm going to be taking the example of HubSpot. So once you provide the credentials, then it's a matter of adding your existing knowledge base. So that could either be existing documentation that you have and then the walkthrough videos that you may have, right? So once you add all those details, the initial knowledge about your product, then we start building new knowledge about your product by running these agentic simulations. So I'm just going to spin up a new simulation, right? What it does is it mimics the behavior of your different user personas that you may be having within your product, right? And then it explores the product inside out, right? What happens here is it spins up a virtual browser and then it opens up HubSpot in this case, and it adds the login credentials, right? And then basically the agent autonomously explores the product, building this understanding, right? And then while this is happening, you are able to see the progress and then it builds a mind map as well. Now you are able to see the agent is now logging in, right? It's adding the credentials in. So while this is happening, I'm going to pass simulation that has been done. So then now in HubSpot, now you are able to see how it has essentially logged in and then how it has gone to different pages. You are able to see all the steps in a step-by-step manner, and it builds this complete mind map of your product as well. How we've gone to say the deals page, right? And then how we've built an understanding around the deals page, right? So likewise, you are able to completely see that. So the next thing is, once this understanding has been built, you are able to try how Marketrix works in your app itself within our playground. So then in this case, HubSpot gets loaded once again, and then Marketrix also loads on your app itself, and then you are able to see how the tell, the show, and then the do modes are working within your app itself. So when you're confident on the fact that Marketrix works perfectly on your app, then it's a matter of progressing with the integration. So then we provide you with two methods of integration. That's a widget-based integration and then the MCP-based integration. So widget is very straightforward, whereas you embed our widget on your application. So you are able to completely customize it, right? Or the MCP connection is there. If you already have Copilot experience, this can straight away connect to your Copilot experience. Then we are able to automate these simulations as well through webhooks or maybe through timers and then even connectors, right? And you are able to set workflows as well. So the insights feature is a very new feature that we've just rolled out, right? So you are able to run quality checking. So this is a Selenium alternative. So here in this case, you can upload your PRD and then it processor understands your document, and then based on that it comes up with the steps that we suggest that we should follow to run these tests. But of course you have the ability to make changes as you wish. Then it starts running these tests. So once the tests are completed, you will be able to get a report as well. Out of these tests, what are the ones that have been successfully completed and then what has been not. So once it's done, it generates this report as well. So quite a bunch of new features are coming up, which is the user experience and the technical writing part as well. So stay tuned for them. So this is an end-to-end walkthrough tour of Marketrix. Would love to work with you, helping in your journey of making your software self-supporting. Thank you.